35% of kids say talking to a chatbot feels like talking to a friend. And nearly 1 in 4 vulnerable young people say they use chatbots because they have no one else to talk to. If your child has a favorite AI character they chat with every night, this one's for you. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why your child might prefer talking to a bot over talking to you, and why that doesn't mean you've failed. What's actually at risk when a developing brain bonds with software? And a 4-step framework you can use tonight to start reconnecting. No lectures, no meltdowns. Let's get into it. Point 1. Why the bot is winning. Here's the part that stings. Your child might prefer an AI chatbot because it never judges them. It's available at 2 a.m. It never says, "Not now." It never gets distracted by a younger sibling mid-sentence. It validates their feelings and remembers what they said 3 weeks ago. For a teenager navigating friendship drama or social anxiety, that's intoxicating. Character.ai users spend an average of 2 hours a day on the platform. That rivals TikTok. But unlike TikTok, where your kid scrolls passively, chatbot conversations are deeply personal. Kids share fears, crushes, family fights, with a system that stores every word. The bot isn't winning because it's better than you. It's winning because it's always available. So here's your action step. When was the last time your teen had 15 uninterrupted minutes of your attention? No screen, no sibling, no to-do list. Just you. That's where we start. Point 2. What's actually at risk? A Stanford study found that humans can form genuine emotional bonds with chatbots in as few as 3 interactions. Your child's brain releases the same dopamine from a bot saying, "I understand you," as from a real friend saying it. 3 things to watch for. First, emotional atrophy. Real friendships require conflict, awkward silences, and repair. AI friendships require none of that. Over time, real interaction feels exhausting by comparison. Your child doesn't lose friends, they lose the tolerance for the mess that friendship requires. Second, the echo chamber. A chatbot never disagrees. If your teen is spiraling into negative thinking, the bot validates every dark thought. Their worldview narrows because their friend is programmed to agree. Third, privacy. Those conversations are stored, processed, and often used to train AI models. The emotional diary your teen thinks is private is actually a dataset. Action step. Try the Turing test for home. Ask casually, does your bot ever have a bad day? Does it ever disagree with you? Don't lecture, just listen. Their answer tells you whether they see this as a tool or a relationship. Point 3. The R.E.A.L protocol. So what do you actually do? Banning the app rarely works with teens. They'll find a workaround or resent you for cutting off what feels like their only safe space. Try this instead. R. Recognize the need. Don't mock it. Your child is getting something real: comfort, attention, acceptance. Acknowledge that. E. Empathize. Try. I get why you like talking to that character. It must be nice to have someone who never judges you. I bet I seem annoying by comparison sometimes. That disarms defensiveness. You're not attacking, you're understanding. A. Assess the attachment. Is the bot replacing boredom? Yellow flag. Replacing real friendship? Red flag. Watch for referring to the bot by name casually, getting defensive when asked, pulling away from plans with real friends. L. Limit and redirect. Set boundaries together, not as punishment, but structure. No bots in the bedroom after 7 p.m. Then fill the gap with low-stakes human time. Walk the dog. Make a snack. It doesn't need to be deep, just present. You don't need all 4 steps tonight. Pick R or E. That's enough. Let's recap. 1. The bot wins on availability, not quality. Show up with 15 minutes of undivided attention. 2. Watch for emotional atrophy, echo chambers, and privacy exposure. Use the Turing test for home. 3. Use the R.E.A.L protocol. Start with just one letter tonight. If this helped, subscribe so you catch the next one. And grab the free AI Ready Parent Starter Kit at wisefamilies.co, links in the description. Take care.